CCTV Camera World is proud to provide support for products purchased from our website. If you purchased your product from another vendor, please contact the vendor you purchased from for further assistance. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the PC software to view your system on your Windows computer. Here, I've already downloaded the AvaEye software from our website. I'm going to right-click, click the Extract All button on the zip file that I've downloaded. Now, your file may be in the Downloads folder or in your desktop, but for this example, I do just have the file here on my desktop. You could click Browse to extract this folder wherever you would like, and then I'm going to leave the Show Extracted Files When Complete button checked to automatically open that folder. So I'm going to click the Extract button to extract the software, and then it's going to automatically open that folder. Now I need to double click the application AvaEye, which is going to open the Windows installer. If your installer doesn't automatically pull up, make sure you check your taskbar and click on the installer. Now I'm going to need to click the Next button. Here I can choose where I would like to install the software. I'm going to install it in the default Program Files Windows directory and click the Next button. Now I need to click Install again, and it's going to install the software. You may need to install a prerequisite software, which is from Microsoft, and I'm going to click I agree to the license terms and conditions and click the Install button. It's going to install that prerequisite. So the software is successfully installed, and I'm able to double click to open the software. Here I am prompted with a login screen. I'm going to use the default admin and then the password of 123456. Now I'm going to save and auto login on this password. You can change this password after opening the software if you are on a shared computer where a 123456 password is not secure. I'm the only user using this computer, so I'm going to just leave this password and click the login button. After this, the system is going to do some initial setup, and then this first screen here will be the Add Device screen, in which case you will need to manually enter the username and password for your device. My software was able to search my network. If yours is, then you would be able to check that box. Again, enter in the correct username and password, and then click the Add button. As you can see, I don't have any devices selected, so I can't add them. I'm going to click the Cancel button. Now I've successfully installed the software. As I mentioned, you could add the system automatically using that wizard, or in the following video, I'll show you how to manually add a system or camera over your local network. Thank you for watching. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.